Thanks to everyone for coming out. We are working right now through some new developments regarding today's activity around the metro. A gunman opened fire into the Defend Our Natural Resources rally, killing so far at least 6 people. Dozens more injured, some with life-threatening injuries. Right now we don't know their status, but we will continue to monitor their situations. 2 Metro police officers shot and killed the suspect, who we have identified as 24-year-old James Roswell. He had an AR-15 along with a backpack of ammunition on his person at the time he was killed. Roswell's apartment has been searched and authorities found materials used to make explosives, as well as other weapons. The shooting happened at the corner of 3rd and Pennsylvania Southwest. We will be telling the public to stay away from that area for the time being. We will need to close it off so we can investigate. We should treat this as though there could be potential explosives planted in the area, and we should have crowds stay away from there while we investigate. We also need to set up a media staging area for television crews and press crews who will be showing up. An update to the power situation. Power has been restored. Pepco discovered that a disgruntled employee installed malware that caused the outage. It's not related to the Defend Our Natural Resources rally. This also means that the GW Hospital should be able to handle any gunshot victims who will arrive. We need to have agents start speaking with witnesses to piece together what happened and get their statements. We can also expect metro stops in the area to be closed until further notice, so we will need to provide the public alternate routes to get home from work. We need to identify our crisis communications team and provide them with the necessary information to keep the public informed. We should also utilize the emergency alert system to let those in the geographic region know what is happening and which areas to avoid. Again, we should put out a tip line for people who have seen something so that they are able to let us know what they know and help us piece together what happened here. Thank you for coming to this briefing.